And welcome to Next Trains. So these are the last two packets in the parcel. So let's quickly see this packet. It is a 009 right hand turnout. I'll just quickly unbox it. Meanwhile, consider hitting the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you come to know whenever there is a new video in Next Trains. Just let me quickly unbox this one. So here they are, two hopper wagons, 8-wheeled hopper wagons with center press. They have a center press for unloading the load. They are Lima hopper wagons. So yeah, that's it for today. I will do the running session of all of these vehicles in the future videos. Don't forget to subscribe Next Trains and share with those who like trains and model trains. Thank you very much.